Well, hi everyone. This is grammar, and today's topic is compound tenses. Now, many times we try to memorize complicated grammar structures. Now, I'm telling you, don't do that anymore. This is actually easier than body slamming a stuffed animal, okay? So, let's take this as an example. Future perfect continuous. If you want to memorize all that, super complicated. Once again, don't do that anymore. What we're going to do is we're going to break this down just like basic math. Now, I know a lot of people don't like math, but math is your friend. You have to be good at numbers, okay? So, we're going to break this down. So what I'm going to do here is I just use future as just a simple structure, simple tense, perfect, and also continuous. Now, what do I need for just a simple future tense? I need my auxiliary will, and I need a verb. And that verb has to be in simple form. What do I need for a perfect tense? I need my auxiliary have, and I need a verb. And this time the verb is going to be in past participle. And what do I need for a continuous tense? Well, I need the verb be, and I need a verb, and that verb is going to be in ing form. So it's very easy to remember all of these simple tenses instead of one complex tense. So what I'm going to do, once again, this is just like math, okay? So I'm basically going to add all of this. So will is going to come down the same, plus I need have in simple form is going to be have, and then I have my verb be. The past participle of the verb be is been, and my verb in ing. So my verb in ing. So for a future perfect continuous, basically the grammar structure is will, have, been, and my verb in ing. Now once again, remember, this is not a complete sentence. This is just the grammar structure. So a complicated tense made simple. So once again, as we can see, compound tenses, easy peasy, super breezy.